So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you everyone for keep watching on my YouTube, and also please watching to my cover that I put it in my channel. So what I would like to describe about today is about palm tree, palm sugar, and how it's using in Cambodia or using worldwide. So palm sugar is a natural sweetness from the nature. So nowadays we have a center of producing palm sugar. We collect palm sap from the palm tree, and it's a lot of work and hides at the palm tree at the top of the palm tree. And also nowadays we are selling in Phnom Penh, all supermarket and like Aeon, Lucky, Maglu, or some market in Tutumpung. And also we're selling in Symbolic, and actually palm tree is the 100 palm juice, and we are collected and boiling and drying and check the quality and package at the finished product for selling at the market. So many people use it because it's really useful and don't have addictive free, and then serve your balance in your body and have your energy and keep strong long time. So eating palm sugar is not increase your high blood or red blood cell or diabetics. It's really useful, and you can use many different kind of palm sugar. Palm sugar, yes. The palm tree is made for hair. The palm tree is made for dessert. The palm tree is made for like leaf. It's made the roof of the home, and for some fence for protecting your house from other animal. So it's many useful about palm sugar and the palm tree, and also this one is about dessert. And this kind of palm cake we call palm cakes or num thnaut. In Cambodia we call num thnaut, and this one kind of box that I made it from palm leaf. So yes, this is the store for storing and boiling the palm juice to become more lighter and more less. So this is palm juice before putting in the stove, or this is after we are boiling, so it's like become like this. So many people eat it because it's really natural and really healthy for your body, for your life. It is used for a long time. So today I'm speaking about a little bit about English because my audience is about like kind of worldwide. Because in Cambodia we are know much about this one, and we also have a location about palm sugar production, and we also know, so we just would like to inform that we are selling palm sugar in the market like Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh, and many superstore, many supermarket, and also in Siem Reap. If you're going to Siem Reap to visit the beautiful Angkor Wat temple, you can also going to some traditional market. You will find our brand is Sawana. Sawana is one of name that we are represented about kingdom of gold, or the land of the gold. So palm sugar also is gold, and it's also have PGI, like protected geographical indication by EU in 2019, and also from government granted by our government. And the palm tree estimated by EU is around 30 million palm tree in land in Cambodia, and also production has a lot, more than 1,000 towns. It's like 1,000 or to 4,000 towns in the kingdom of Cambodia, which is surveyed and estimated by EU. So today is I just learn and also what I know from the palm sugar, palm tree, and also what I know, what I would like to preach more about palm sugar in Cambodia, and speaking for our traditional farmer that also do this job every month, every year, every time for in the dry season. From their production is in the from the dry season until April or May. They will finish after the rainy season come. They not production. The production will be stopped, and they will store all the palm sugar that also have a dry kind of a dry box in their warehouse. So completely and thankfully for the listening to our palm tree production and our what is disadvantage or advantage about the palm, but mostly is the advantage about palm sugar is recommended. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more. Thank you so much.